unraveling the epic journey, the history of football. First, we take you back, where it all began, in ancient civilizations, China, Japan, and Italy, the birthplace of football. Fast forward to mid-19th century England, where modern football was crystallized. Clubs, leagues, and football federations started taking shape. Enter the 20th century, football had evolved. It wasn't just a game, it was a lifestyle, a culture deeply rooted in the hearts of millions. The proliferation of football was unstoppable. The establishment of FIFA, and later the birth of the World Cup, took the sport global. Football's golden era unfolded. Pelé, Maradona, Cruyff, legends who transcended boundaries, leaving indelible imprints on the canvas of football history. In the modern era, football is more than a sport. It's a billion-dollar industry, with iconic players like Messi and Ronaldo leading the charge. As we gaze into the future, football continues to inspire, thrill and unite. A game of the people, for the people, by the people.